So when we pack up ported heads here at FRP, these bags that we use to fill up the boxes so that the heads don't get damaged in shipping, the stuff that's inside them is pretty nasty. So in order to not get all this stuff on our clothes, we use trash bags to make sure that our clothes stay clean. So we're gonna see how this goes.
Trash bag couture. Stresses me out.
Not to blame.
It stresses me out.
Put one on the bottom, protect the chamber side of the head, and then we do one on top to protect the spark plug towers and rocker stands.
Most definitely a two-person process.
Yeah.
One person cannot do this. You have to be quick. All right. First up.
2 hours later.
I think we are good.
Sweet.
And once this is done, it forms to the cylinder head, just like that.
Awesome.